Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance with MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and set up. MetaMask is a secure, non-custodial wallet that allows you to interact with decentralized applications. We will be adding the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet, which enables you to manage your Binance assets directly within MetaMask. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. To add the Binance Smart Chain network, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the network drop-down at the top. Choose Add Network from the options. You will then be prompted to enter several pieces of information, including the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. These details are crucial for MetaMask to correctly connect to the Binance Smart Chain. Here are the exact details you'll need. For the network name, type Smart Chain. The new RPC URL is https://bsc Binance org/. The chain ID is 56. The currency symbol should be BNB. Finally, the Block Explorer URL is https://bscscan.com/. Double-check these entries carefully to ensure a successful connection. Once entered, click Save to add the network. After saving, your MetaMask wallet will automatically switch to the Smart Chain network. You should now see your BNB balance and any other Binance Smart Chain tokens you hold. You can now seamlessly send and receive tokens, interact with decentralized applications, and manage your assets on the Binance Smart Chain directly through MetaMask. This easy method opens up a world of possibilities for your crypto activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.